Hey everybody, this is Coach Michael with another 5 minutes of Financial 3D. I know a lot of people are talking about gas prices. Let me do a quick calculation of how we can actually determine if we're spending a lot of money on gas prices and how we can compensate if we are spending a lot. Let's say gas costs $3 a gallon a year ago. Say your tank takes $14 to fill. That gives you $42 to fill up your tank. A year later, gas prices go up to $1, hypothetically. Let's say it's $4 and it takes 14 gallons to fill up your tank. Well, that's $56 to fill up your tank. That's $14 more to fill up your tank, and let's say you can go a whole week on a full tank of gas. That $14 difference per week, is it a lot? Let's find out where we can actually adjust our income in order to determine how we can gain that $14 back. Well, I know people say, I don't want to live on beans and rice, or I don't want to cut back. You don't have to, but where can you adjust? Or is $14 a big difference for you every week? Some people spend $14 in the blink of an eye purchasing things online that they may not need. You also will spend $14 on high-priced coffee, where you can just go to the convenience store or the gas station to get that good coffee, put everything you want into it for a fraction of the price. I'm just saying, is $14 really a big difference on average? Now, I know a lot of people may spend more to fill up their tank, and some people may spend less to fill up their tank. But my point is, it's so important that we determine where we can do with our money and how we can adjust it. All right, let's look at another scenario. Let's say you want to build up a savings account, or you want to start putting money away to have a down payment on a major purchase. How can we save money in a short amount of time? What are we doing with our money, and how are we best spending our money? I was working with a couple of clients, and we are talking about where are we putting our money? Where are we spending our money? And I went through their finances and went through their particular income and expense statement. Well, they were spending hundreds of dollars a month on items they felt within themselves they could cut back on. They were spending items on extracurricular activities, let me say, in which they could cut back on as well. And they could put money away, let's say $300 to $400, even $500 a month, to where they could build up a down payment on specific items. Now, I want everyone to determine within themselves, what can you really adjust your money in? I don't want people to downgrade in their lifestyle, but you can adjust your lifestyle to live better. It doesn't mean you have to stop living life the way you want to. However, there might be some things that you can adjust in your life right now in order for you to reach your financial goals. My goal is to help you get there the best way possible to live in Financial 3D. Once again, this is Coach Michael with another 5 minutes of Financial 3D. If you have any questions, or if you want to connect with me, or if you want any other information that I offer, click on my link in the description below. And we're so grateful for everyone. We'll catch you next time. God bless. This is Michael Morrow, your friendly financial coach. I want to tell you about my book series, 1, 2, 3 book series about teens' journey to financial independence. Book series is very powerful and foundational for our young people and young adults, not just teens, but also those who are in college or those in their early 20s. Maybe some of you older than that need to know as it pertains to winning with your finances and getting to financial independence. In these 3 book series, we talk about how to start teens with their bank accounts. The next one is building their dreams with budgeting and beyond. The last one is helping them, teens and young adults, have a better future with credit. In this book series, so some people have asked me, hey, why don't you do an audio series? Well, I like the teens and young adults to be interactive with their finances. So in this book, we have the many pages, but at the end of each chapter, and even in the chapter, there are some notations they can take as it pertains to what they've learned and what they had read in the chapter in the beginning. This is more than just an audiobook series. This is a series that allows young adults to write down their goals, to write out the examples, and apply them in their real lives. So in the description is a link to how you can get this book series for your young adult. Other than that, look for more updates. You can, of course, follow us on our Instagram. You can follow us on Facebook, and you can follow us on YouTube at Financial 3D. This is your friendly neighborhood financial coach, Michael Morrow, wishing you the best success. God bless.